Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm going to journal in Psalms chapter 19 and starting in verse 1, where it says, "The heavens proclaim the glory of God, the skies display his craftsmanship. Day after day they continue to speak, night after night they make him known. They speak without a sound or a word, their voice is never heard, yet their message has gone throughout the earth and their words to all the world." So I love this passage. It is just an amazing testament to how God created our world and how amazing it is. So what I wanted to do was try and use my watercolors here. I'm going to use greens, purples, and blues and trying to do like a heavens, like a nighttime sky with stars and things like that. I've never done that before. So I have my watercolor. I want to put the watercolor onto a piece of acetate and kind of do the squishing technique and get like several layers of color down, and then go in with a white pen, possibly a concentrated white from the watercolor. And if that doesn't work real well, I will go get an acrylic white to do some flicks onto the page. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we'll get started. Alright, so here's my final entry. I love how this turned out, especially the background. The words not so much. I added an extra S where there wasn't supposed to be one, so just don't look at that. But I loved how the sky, like the nighttime sky, turned out with the flicks, and I was able to paint it all with the watercolor. The problem I had, I wanted to use my Jelly Roll white, but it wasn't writing very well over the top of the paint. So as you saw, I painted just like a shadow of white with my paintbrush, and then went in, finally had to use my bigger Tombow marker so it would actually write over the top of the paint, because the smaller Futosuko ones wouldn't work, and I didn't want to damage those. So it turned out okay. As far as the lettering goes, I love the background, so I want to do that like just on some watercolor paper, because I think it just turned out really great and it was fun to do. So hopefully it'll give you inspiration to do a starry sky in your Bible journaling or whatever you're doing. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.